Hi everyone and welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this fraction. 6 minus 8 gives us negative 2. So our fraction equals negative 2 divided by 2, then over 6 minus 8. We have here 6 minus 8 again is negative 2, then times 2. And this is equal to negative 2 divided by 2 equals negative 1. And negative 2 times 2 gives us negative 4. And this is equal to 1 over 4. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, according to this rule, first here we have to do this division, okay? And in the denominator we have to do this multiplication first, okay? And we can say this fraction can be written as parenthesis 6 minus 8 divided by 2, then divided by parenthesis 6 minus 8, then times 2. The numerator divided by denominator. We can write this fraction like this, okay? And here we have these two parentheses and this division. According to the PEMDAS, which P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right, and the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here first we do this parentheses, and inside this parentheses we have this subtraction and this division. According to the PEMDAS, the division has higher priority than subtraction. So first we do this division. 8 divided by 2 gives us 4. So parentheses 6 minus just 4 divided by 6 minus 8 times 2. And here 6 minus 4 equals 2. So 2 divided by 6 minus 8 times 2. And now we have this division and this parentheses. First we do this parentheses, and inside this parentheses we have this subtraction and this multiplication. According to the PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. So first we do this multiplication. 8 times 2 gives us 16. So 2 divided by parentheses 6 minus 16. And 6 minus 16 equals negative 12. So 2 divided by negative, 6 minus 16 equals negative 10. So 2 divided by negative 10. So 2 divided by negative 10. 2 divided by 2 equals 1, and the negative 10 divided by 2 is negative 5. So our final answer to this problem is just negative 1 divided by 5. We have 3 over 4 divided by 16, then times 2. We want to find the value of this expression. Are you ready to solve? Let's get started. Here in this expression we have this division and this multiplication. As we know, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So first this division and then this multiplication. 3 over 4 divided by 16. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. Okay, so according to this rule, 3 over 4 divided by 16 can be written as 3 over 4 times 1 over 16, then times 2. Now, here we can write 3 times 1 times 2, okay, over 4 times 16 times 1. 2 divided by 2 equals 1, and 4 divided by 2 gives us 2. Okay, and this fraction equals 3 times 1 equals 3, divided by 2 times 16 times 1 gives us 32. And this is our final answer to this problem. 3 divided by 32. Two times this parenthesis, which is 3 plus 3 divided by 3. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. We have here 2 times 3 plus 3 equals 6, then divided by 3. 2 times 6 divided by 2 equals 2, and finally 2 times 2 equals 4. But this answer is not correct. No, the correct path, according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, A and S stands for addition and subtraction. So we first do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. We work from left to right. Here we have these parentheses, and inside these parentheses we have this addition and this division. Division have higher priority than addition. So first we calculate 3 divided by 3, which equals 1. So we have 2 times 3 plus just 1, and 3 plus 1 equals 4. So we have 2 times 4, and 2 times 4 equals 8. Finally, our answer to this problem is 8. The correct answer is 8.